Can you believe this is Dollar Tree? I mean, this look is classic with a little man-eater vibes, all for $1.75. So become a glammy. Don't delay. Like, subscribe so we can slay. Keep watching. Was that eye not beautiful? And I got there by using the Ioni Vanilla Shimmer eyeshadow stick and the Urban palette. This collection is from the Glam Palooza collection. It also contains Cranberry Shimmer, Matte Espresso, and Amethyst Shimmer. I'm going to prime my eyes with Essence Eye Primer. My mascara is Lancome's Lashy Doll. So I put the Ioni Brow Freeze on. So I'm going to put on the eyeliner from Ioni as my base. You guys are going to love this. It is killer. It's very classic. You can wear any lip color with this. If you're new here, I use this as like my guideline for my eyeshadow instead of tape. The next step is going to be shade number 10. I go right to left, so it's right there. And I'm placing that on the lid and up into the crease. It's a sherbety orange, and it is absolutely right on trend right now, guys. Sherbety orange colors are where it's at for summer. And it's neutral enough for us cool toned girls. It's not going to interfere with undertone and all that. It's not going to make you look funny. In fact, you barely see it. Just building it up a little bit. I want to be able to see a little bit of difference. Like I want a line between my skin tone and the eyeshadow color. I'm going to use a brush, and this really has a lot of pigment for a vanilla shade, and it has sparkle in here. It is so gorgeous. I'm putting it in here too. I'm going to bring a little bit of the black underneath the eye. Yes, doing it with the brush is fussy. I get it. Some of us don't have time in the morning. But I will say it keeps it from creasing. Oh, so pretty. Look at that, guys. Absolutely stunning. And like, it's so minimal. I'm going to add the white Cosmic Shimmer color. Just any white shimmery shade that you have will do. And I'm going to throw that right over top of the cream eyeshadow and right in the corner, just to make it pop right there. I'm not going for a nude eye. I mean, it is, but it's still dramatic. It's still man-eater. Yeah, baby. I've stopped dating. It's like, I just can't. I'm going to take more of shade 10, and I'm just going to place it right here and connect it with that white right there. It's very subtle, but it works. It just adds a little bit of something. Also under the eye, right on top of the Vanilla Shimmer. Would you wear this look? This would be a favorite of mine if I didn't have to change my eyeshadow every day. It's hard for me to wear this again. Although it's so beautiful, I have no problem wearing it again. Oh, guys. I say that every time. I'm sorry, guys. I know, I'm so redundant. I want to make makeup fun for you guys. I really do. I want to just spark your interest again. Like, this isn't boring. This can be fun. And looks that are, this is e.l.f.'s Expert Eyeliner. Looks that are, like, considered boring, they're not. Like, this is so boring, but so stunning. I don't know how to explain that because it's not boring, but it is boring. And it's all good. This eyeliner is just driving me crazy because she is going into the crease. Am I losing it? I could be. That's okay. You know what? Even if it does go into the crease a bit, it adds dimension. It's okay. It's okay, guys. I'm going to add my Lashy Doll because that'll hide it. This is where you would want to add your false lashes or tons of mascara because it's such it's such a light eye look that you can just go ham with it and show off your eyelashes. But I'm going to go crazy right here to hide the mistake. And it'll hide it. A whole bunch of little tips that save time in the morning so you don't have to go and run and freak out and take your makeup off. And honestly, don't worry so much, guys. If you do, just don't. You got this. Every day is another day to learn, to grow, and let's just enjoy the moments that we have. I still love this look. I do. I'm going to add it on the bottom lashes because I'm not going to add any eyeliner here any more than I already spread around in there. But I want a little bit of drama down there. I mean, just because this look is very, very light, very neutral, it still needs to be presented properly. Not that whatever you do isn't properly. You can do whatever you want. I'm just saying for my eye. And I'm giving you my humble opinion. This is the window dressing to this eye. And I thought I would show you the mascara application because it is a big part of this look. It really is. It is, like I said, the window dressing. I don't do false lashes because every time I blink, they hit my glasses. There we go. Now, I don't know if I want to add the waterlines today. Yeah, I want to. I feel like I hear you guys going, no, don't do it. I'm sorry, I have to. You do not, but I do. That's funny. I don't know. I really appreciate you guys. I do. Honestly. I really, really do. And I don't just say that. This journey has been so much learning, experiences. Talking to you guys makes my day. It really does. Okay, I'm going to use my heated eyelash curler to do this. And I highly recommend one of these. They just are the best. Okay, so I'm going to use the dark brown brow pencil from LA Colors in my eyebrows. It's really hard to talk and put on makeup. It really is. It is a total skill for people that can do this. I'm not saying I can do this. I struggle. My brain only works on the right side, not the left. I think. I don't know which side is your artistic side. I just went under and then pulled up. That's all I did. Okay, guys. There is the finished eye. Absolutely stunning. I will be back to show you the lip color I chose. So I picked Get the Look from Essence to wear today. And I used MAC's Grape Expectations lip liner. Yesterday, I used Anastasia Beverly Hills' Butterscotch. And that would be a wonderful pick for warm tone ladies. It looked beautiful. And here is Get the Look from Essence. So, with all that said, here is the finished look, guys. Yes, it is absolutely killer. Old school beauty, Sophia Loren, Brigitte Bardot. Yeah, we're taking it back. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you have a wonderful day. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the Glammy family.